Okay, the oil cap is usually black and yellow, and we're now going to remove it. And then you put the funnel in the hole and pour the new oil in. And you just keep pouring.
Wow. Pretty neat.
And you take the funnel out and put the cap back on nice and tight. And then you check the dipstick. There's some on the floor, Courtney. Usually they have a maximum and a minimum line on the dipstick. And we're just right in the middle there, so it's pretty perfect. We got right about there. Yep, good. Section's good. And the dip cord is usually yellow. That's how you do an oil filter. Change. Oil filter after you edit it out. You want to edit it up? No. Okay, stop recording.